Hi, everybody. Welcome to Well 330 Strategies for Personal and Career Growth. My name is Dora Lewis. I will be your instructor for this course. Prior to my role as an academic advisor at Talk, I was a career coach for many years. I love helping people learn to leverage their education and experience to find, change, or elevate their careers. So that's what this course is intended to do. You are all in different places in your career trajectories. Some of you are starting, some of you are transitioning, some of you are firmly established. And for that reason, there are lots of different options provided in this course to choose materials that best suit you. Be sure to read the pre-class overview module. There's a great research in there called Reach 360, and I just love it. It is so worth doing. The results will show you how others are perceiving you, and that's really good information to have. It's generally a very positive experience, and it may hold a few surprises. So it's a free resource for 2 weeks. You don't need to purchase it. Lastly, your final project in this course is to interview a woman leader. Start thinking about that now. You'll be writing a report and giving a presentation. So learning to do an informational interview, which is what this assignment is about, it's a skill that will serve you long after you've earned your degree. So think of someone that's doing something that you're curious about. Choose someone that you don't know. I've had students interview entrepreneurs, leaders in their church, presidents and VPs of companies. The list goes on and on. People are rarely asked to talk about what they do, and they really enjoy doing it. So be thinking about that. You're going to have to, one assignment you're going to have to do soon is to tell me who that person is, and then you'll be setting up a time to interview them. So start giving that some thought now. I am available by cell phone and also by email. You can reach out to me if you have questions or you need anything. Give me up to 24 hours to respond. And I think that's it. I really look forward to meeting all of you and having a great course. So welcome.